Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark. I got another review for you today. This time it's the Wireless Digital Microscope. Compact, works great, good entertainment for the kids while they're home. So I think you're going to like it. So let's get to the video right after the intro. Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a Wi-Fi digital microscope, and we're going to take a look at this, see what it says around the box, and we're going to open it up, do an open boxing on it again. So this one is a Wi-Fi digital microscope that supports a variety of operating systems from Android to ISO, Windows, and Mac. So let's see what some of the things it says here. It's got 8 LED adjustable wheel on it. The HD color CMOS sensor, and it has high-speed DSP. 24-bit DSP provided perfect image. You can adjust this wheel up to 1,000 magnifications. So you can do video and you can do photos. 1080 is HD resolution. It's in color black, and like I said, it has 1,000 magnification. Okay, let's take a look, see what we have inside. This appears to be the charging cable for the microscope. Yep, it's micro to USB. Okay, set this over there. For the microscope. Let's take a look and see what else is in here. This is the adjustable base. Heavy metal. Plastic end, but it is adjustable. And I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, it's a stand for it. And here we have some instructions, so we'll put all this stuff out of the way. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is the microscope itself. Now I'm looking at it. It has a real nice feel to it, a kind of a rubberized flip kind of surface. It has a little dust cover on the front of it, dust cap, I guess you could say. The focusing wheel right here, this is going from 50 to 1,000 times viewing. The overall length on this is 5.3 inches. The width on this is 1.3 inches. Here we have your on and off button with also to set it up to take pictures or videos. We have a switch to turn on and adjust your LED brightness. Let's see, on the other side, we have the enlarge and minimum, so you can zoom in and zoom out through this. So basically, we just push the button and hold. I want to see how the lights work. There, the lights came on, as you can see here, and this is the adjustable brightness for it. So it gets fairly bright. There's 8 LED lights in there. So I'll back it down a little bit. And it comes with a metal-based stand, so nice and heavy duty there. One thumb screw adjustment to position any way you want. So you set them both up and then you tighten it down. So let's put the microscope in its stand and see how this works. Little stand for it. This is a plastic base. You can switch it around and put it in there if you like to hold it. Instead of use it on here, you can flip it around and slide it in here. So here's what we do first. You have to download the Mac-C app from the store, either on Android or Apple. Once you get it installed, you push and hold the on button. And this in turn turns the unit on. As you can see, the LEDs are lit up. And we look for our Wi-Fi. And it should come up with the app. There it is, the Mac-CD, and you connect to it. And there I am connected. Now we go back to our app. There is the microscope. Oh, cool. This is really cool. So we adjust this until we get it into focus. Look at that. Wow. Let's take a look at the cover. Wow, that's really cool. And I think this button over here on the right, the one on the bottom, you can make it zoom in and out. 2 times power. Now look at that. Now let's adjust the focus. That is really cool. So we can take a picture of it. Now that's just the dirt that's on the cover. This is a really nice tool. You can see how well it zooms into things. It's 50 to 1,000 times 1080p. It's a handheld portable mini Wi-Fi USB microscope camera, and it has 8 LED lights on it, and they really help for your iPhone, iPad, smartphone, tablet, and PC. Take pictures and show your friends. And it's light, total weight 7.33 ounces versus like 38 ounces for a full-size microscope. So portability is amazing. It's wireless. This is a great little tool. You can have a lot of fun with it with the kids. Some cool things you can look at, probably spiders, butterflies, fabric, leaves, insects, bees. Kids would love that kind of stuff to use. This might give them something to do when they're bored and sitting here home waiting to go back to school from the virus. So that's my review for the wireless microscope 50 times 1000 1080p on Amazon for $42.99. I think it's a great deal. It's going to get a Captain Mark's 5-star review because of the portability, the clarity, the great app, a nice, fun tool to have for the kids. I mean, this will keep them hours and hours entertained. So if you like this video or you like what you've seen so far, the information I gave you, why don't you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and of course hit the bell to the right to catch my upcoming videos. Again, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark's Review, saying thank you.